What's going on? Michael Petty here. For me personally, it's about simplifying the process to make money online. Okay, it's 2025. Today you got AI, you got done for you funnel, you got simple systems that makes it easier for anybody to make money online. And that doesn't change the fact that you still have to build your skill, that you still have to learn how to attract the people. With everybody using the same system, that doesn't mean it's going to be easier for you to make sales, because it's still the same process. You still have to position yourself as the person that people should listen to. People need to trust you, okay? People need to make sure that you're giving them the knowledge that they need. It's more than just making the money online. How do they make money online? What's the process? How do they get there? You have to present you. You are the business. The business is the product. Exitus Elite, what I promote is the product. That's the company that I earned from. But I am the business. You are the business. You gotta think about it. It's you and thousands of other people who's promoting the same thing. So why should a person listen to you over someone else? The reason why, because you're going to give them the knowledge. You're going to give them the know-how. You're going to give them the reasons, the information that they need to know to make sales. That's what sets you apart, right? A lot of people want to hold on to it, make the sales, and when you join my team, I'll tell you. Well, if I join your team, you may not tell me. If you tell the people now how they can make sales online, and they start doing it, and they started increasing their lead flow, they started attracting people, they see what you're telling them works. 9 times out of 10, when they join your team, of course you're going to give them even more. Like a person join my team, I'm going to run traffic to the lead capture page. Okay, that's going to give them more people to talk to. That's just one bonuses, but I have more bonuses. When a person joins your team, what's the benefit for them joining you over joining someone else? So go ahead and subscribe. I got more information coming. Like, leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to cover something else. If you got any questions, leave them below, and I'll do a video on it. And most likely, I will do a blog post on it also. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.